Yes, me and my friend Kurumi doing our things in our room, and it's absolutely great. And I wonder how's the weather today. Okay, let me see. See how's the weather today. Oh, it's kind of rainy though. Man, I think I need to close the windows. Hold on. There. So, I'm probably going to the bathroom, or maybe I should go to the bathroom first. I must say, it's not great to be outside in the window. I mean, in the rain. Yes, probably. I need to stay inside because the rain it's too dangerous, and it's kind of rainy and under a thunderstorm. Oh my god. I'm sure there's nothing scary than a thunderstorm. Right. It's going to be peak. At least not scary at all. But I must say, I love playing my piano. Also, with my favorite songs of video games, cartoons, and. Wait, what noise is this? Thunderstorm coming! I need to close this window right now! There, no more problems about. I'm now fine. Excuse me, Kuromi, I'm back. I was in the bathroom, okay? And you know that this rain it's perfect for us to sleep right now, okay? It's like music to our ears. Yeah, it's absolutely marvelous, Emoga. I'm sure this rain will stop someday. But I must say, we're at home and we're safe, okay? So, nothing to worry about it. It must be very scary about that old thunderstorm, okay? But how many years this will get away? Not many years ago. Someday we'll stop it, okay? Huh. Alright then, Emoga. I'm sure that this rain will stop it. But it's absolutely the sweet sound of rain, okay?